Okay, FM 101.7.
Mami nkom yankasa menua bobie ansa ho. Na nakwabena bobie ansa. Commander Boham. Na we semtweroni a obi anim wo Ghana and beyond. Na enkomo yi wono so ne from baby wo ha. Wono so pese oni ye eche. Champion man, Commander. Kwabena bobie ansa me mo ache.
Hello.
Me mo ache o. Good morning. Good morning. Minya kwabra bobi ansa me mo ache. Good morning. Yeah, but modern says I bet me I can not fear in community about a year. Na me text message kakra. Modi aba na men kenkan ebi emfama mo salisi from Secretary Power OT region. A senior officer indeed. There are a lot of WhatsApp groups in the system that you cannot belong to a questionable WhatsApp group. I can't honestly no. Minya Commander Kwabena Bobi answer me mo achi.
Machi so minya.
Na boko die.
You aka ya ho.
Na wo shahinie ninja ma waka akure mitro nka che.
Oh, yeah, me go to some na say na.
Hey!
Me banana meet you wukoku ase.
Any so drabiti na ho.
Oh, so je there o fi hono na amatukim kole. Amatukim kole there. O me ban kuro ne abetie na wo ho.
E wo ho pa, e wo ho. Na kantanka kura so to de nso ono so yeso awu.
Kantanka bari so awu.
Oh,
na mami obosi dokunu.
Aha, dokunu no.
Ye kodi bi ono so de ne de ko.
Hey. Ye di la anu kakra sa o.
Eni o me ye de se ye lo mpe no ye bonko kra ne mere we de wa na ba kuti ne ye. It's anu wasi fom na okro.
Na akro no. Ma ba wo nchen ya enkomo da paso ACP Dr. Agbozo. Ye no said ye koba ye ne ade yi a wo so wo ho so adwene bi a wo ne amansan ebeche wada wo ma ye ntio
quick one me da na me tie what you for na me tie oni opani bi tin komo na wo raise concerns about Dr. ACP Agbozo ne reaction to this current issue. Now quick one on the issue of COP Kofi Boakye is clear. I mean, most of the issues now never continuous speculations as to whether yes or no. Menkebeye me nwa say COP Kofi Boakye beba out so baba can be there. In any case, government issue statement. Government can be. What are you coming to talk about? Why now baba be no? So there are certain things. I mean, logically, it just makes sense. Say let it go. So COP Kofi Boakye issue, I mean, it's understandable. Now you can compare COP Kofi Boakye issue with ACP Agbozo issue. Yeah, what will make you responses and look, Kwame, in this moment the man needs to show strength. At this particular moment in his life, he needs to show enough strength, muscle. He needs to show that he is a man.
Why?
Now pick the issues. You pick the issues one after the other. You analyze it very well. Then you come to the conclusion that it is suicidal for this man to just keep quiet. Now, what is the issue? A WhatsApp platform and then Kofobi at a group. Is it wrong to have a WhatsApp platform in Ghana? Is it illegal?
No.
Okay, so you move to another step. A discussing on the platform, which you and I we are not privy to. From Omno angle, not just discussing issues about Ghana, and if only that is the issue, then also it's not wrong. Now, issues about whether they discuss who on it, I can't tell because
Commander ba ko am de betu dwane se o se o make comment bi a eno no o mfi se treasonable say the way niema ayesi ko no Ara Spring na si yema obi twa na ho shi the youth will rise na
yes e won enkamenia e won enkame pa no
because
enkoma omo eti as a general group no so be a mention specifically cool. You see, when you talk about accusations here, accusing Crawford with issues, then you need to be specific. You don't need to, create vacuums, fake statements, and what? Okay, now, is it wrong to say ACP Agozo or be a part of any WhatsApp group? No, but it's not wrong. But we are joining any other social group to be our person or joining beyond if only the law allows it. Now, Yembra at the chrono, I want to say, what make comment and I say, what type of baby? Minia, since when Ghana has a protest, demonstrations, illegal. Who told you say protest? When Arab Spring, just a India, Yadima and Crawford from Tunisia, Algeria, and other places. But in actual sense, Ghana had a been in a protest, any gathering, demonstrations, illegal that are buying this through protest on the street. Let me ask you something. And you man occupy Ghana for 4 years. Do you understand the word occupy Ghana? The word occupy Ghana. Now occupy Ghana for go back and now what checking what modus operandi. As to how I know me demonstrations. Kofi Kapito ni Ken Oforiakadom to the extent that it will term be a woman to meet so human chain, forming human chain, and the block a whole street in front of Flagstaff House. Kofi Kapito and Ken Oforiata and then or this says that was what they were doing.
Oh, Dabi, I know me I'm going to press now, sir.
My point is sometimes this kind of things young crazy, young checking history, the SCA, and now know your friend could occupy Ghana. These people were able to build human chain. It was street blocking the whole street. So almost your protest against hardship, against corruption, against blah blah blah. Today we have another group of people, and yeah, they are planning to have a protest. Also, they are coming to take over. Into the makers, the security apparatus name. Probably they have. I'm not privy to. You are not privy to that one. I will give them that credit. But you see, CFN on the surface of a Nema Kakra, can kai, and Kakra, I'll be shocked. They will say, Obi air catcher will be say. They should protest, they should go on protest. Now, illegal, so the country will be saying, I can sit on radio and tell people that, look, and I think people should start going on protest. You can't tell me that illegal. That ain't a protest, very illegal. Look, Nanado, our president, in opposition, Echo UK, opposition people, say, they should raise the temperature of the country. Ghana, Nanado, the tape is there. So they should raise the temperature of the country. What do you mean by raise the temperature of the country? What do you mean by that?
Bobby, sir, Obi be a yanchino. And just say, also, yeah, and that's it, Yamra.
In that sense, it's not wrong.
Okay.
So we catch will be say, let's raise the temperature of the country. Any sane human being, any logical person, and by law. And yet illegal. But any supporters na kasa. And also raise the temperature of the country. As to how they will raise the temperature of the country, that is where the problem is. If they will raise the temperature of the country by taking out guns, any weapons, then I want to but if they should raise the temperature of the country, say, almost and Kasamfaniama, the same thing with this protest. If the protest issue is about economical hardship, which the president himself, or America, tacitly agreed, no ultimately yes, I want to have Ghana. If it's about the issue about corruption, if it's about the issue of fuel prices, if it's about the issue of commodities prices, if it's about issues of taxation, oh, come on. Because of his position, what do we make known? Well, but an American, I just think that it's just fair. You should keep on talking. Say, any opportunity you will get, you should keep. And you see, he must show strength. He must show that, power, the willpower that he can survive this. You know the Berman and Chicago and in the bush of for Yagina. For you, Dina Mosama on Casadia. Look, over here, dear. Yet was a demo boy, tim. O say, a mon team, and can say, J. Kumio, Embrano I need a binding in the party no. Yesterday me release some comments view on my job online. If I court no more the state prosecutor, very laughable, very lame, illogical.
Oh, but say, wouldn't a yard Yentia was side. Sabi, who said me to me, Cassa, Obisu Macassa, there was argument, are we lame or what laughable or whatever. So, yes, baby, I'm not in your dream.
No, what I mean is that the state prosecutor, I'm not making kind of America.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what they're making kind of say my job online for story no what I read about the state prosecutor and someone all said Nima you know the choir say or attempting says will be twice cardia blow says will twice carry the
I will twice can boy. Yeah.
The meaning that being a demonstration say you know Chroma will be this guy boy ebony. That by meaning we say if for AFAC work demonstration PN AFAC 1 year Chroma and in another number some catch say at no point any of this Kabua AFAC CJ, and this is also some catchers, and at no point any of this Kabua CJ. I mean, let's discuss these issues dispassionately, very open. Niam Busaya who say, at what point can Ambrano and him from a catcher says will be discovered what demonstrations are and your bonnet. Unless maybe they want to tell us demonstrations almost being common and there are empirical evidences. A year the other says, oh, say, look, Yetisia Bontia, we are going there with arms, we are taking over. We are doing this, we are doing. Many are yet to Kroma. One guy assaulting the pillars of power. One guy.
Okay.
Say, Crophobic of Ukraine for every baby, a buy. Meba, no Kroma. Emma, Yemia, Penny, Kwaku Bombay. Gra, ever bought a Polafoco, this and a Polafoco, and more a lanche, a program be now or the tape no beba. Later tape no okay they are not online yes one farmer today one get farmer chain. But you see these are some of the things assaulting the pillars of power yet Kroma Saudi and ACA yet Kroma yet South Africa for being Kroma yet Kroma nem for justify say and yet one South Africa for beba ababa training group yet Kroma opa we are go and Google yen check a voices and someone Nanado supporters any Nanado crop for a party executives against this South Africa for no. But let's check all these things.
Okay.
What I want to say is I think government no overstretch this matter. The government should look at the larger interests of the country. On mine, the team at the HDB a coup assembly, they discuss a coup. Look at the hours and media for your wasting on this school matter. Different discussing developmental issues here. Then you are creating tension. Who government you know? You create tension. Over coming or mine it down. Am I no? Who government you every day you wake up creating unnecessary tension, not knowing that pump foreign investors. What do you gain by doing this? What do you gain by doing this? Especially when we have developmental issues, pressing issues are hitting. And that is where I have a problem with the opposition.
Okay.
That I think the opposition is not doing enough. The opposition is just sleeping. The opposition looks like they don't have authority. That is where I have a problem with the JM opposition issues. I have a serious problem. Just this morning, the corridor story they almost say SHS, Naman Crawford, and Yen. Later, the matter is almost say Ghana Education Service man being a minority. So now minority. And there will be look, there are serious issues with SHS that you need to address that. The other Kufa and Crawford, who said, Crawford, no, who doggy, Kufa by no better said, Crawford, you see, you can't pay to. I mean, there are certain things. Look, both sides should come out. You have you open debate. Okay, you and I, you face issues, you have some work, then discussing it as it is. That's the you move on as a country. But trust me, the way this government is going, Mr. Franklin Kudo can say if it continues till next year, and your Papa Magana, ya bread, the beer and substance you too weak, too frivolous. In Piaciani, state prosecution, and check 80 Attorney General Office. let's check my team. The first I could for the cases of lose. So you can just imagine. Exactly the same position. They are just worrying them.
Mate.
It's unnecessary.
Mate. And come on, minu ye, you bet to us actually. Why?
Matiminia.
Medasipa. Yeah. You do the end of the Sanet here, you can't honey, a can, you are, and Yansafo, and Femuagini, and Femuaba.
Okay, FM 101.7.